The workout is done and now I am heading off fresh up. After that I need to go buy grain today for our buffaloes because my mom asked me to since it's Sunday. There's lot of work waiting for me at home. It's going to be a busy day, but that's just part of my village life. Come along and it's get evening, everything done together. When I come downstairs, I saw my younger brother Rahul and my cousin Pentu cleaning the room. Honestly, I was really surprised because they almost never do the cleaning, but today they did an amazing job. They made the whole room look hit the spotless, which made my work a lot easier. I was about to leave to get green folders, but before that my mom gave me one more job. As I can see, this buffalo's manure that needs to be cleaned up, so I have to take care of that first. 2 days packed with chores, and I always try to help my mom because she has not been feeling her best lately. After I finish this, I'll head out to get the folders. My phone battery is down to just 2%, so if it does might not be able to record the rest of the blog. Let's see how far I can make it. I am back home with the green folders. Now it's time to clean up around the house. After that, I'll take a shower, get ready, and head to the temple. There's some cleaning to the this will because there's especially program coming up. So we have still got a busy day ahead. So guys, I'm finally done with all my work and it's already 4 p.m. today. I am heading out a little earlier than usually to choose the shop. The waiter has opened changing since afternoon changing and it looks like it could start raining any moment. During the rainy season it's better not wait too long because the roads in our village can become muddy and difficult to travel on life. The rain gets heavy, riding my bike and getting back home safely becomes much harder. That's when I decided to close the shop early today. Come along with me as we head to the shop. If the waiter gets even better, I'll show you some beautiful view along the way. One of my favorite things about village life is the peacefully evening atmosphere where the green and the fresh smell of the earth and the fresh before the rain. It's a simple feeling but it's truly beautiful. I am hoping we get a good rainfall today because the fields really need it and it will make the weather much color it a view anything interesting on the way. I'll make sure to the share if it will of you. So let's get going and close the shop before the rain arrive. If you enjoy watching Real Village Life India, don't forget like channel and turn on notification. See you never miss another adventure. Let's hit the road. So friends, now I am heading back home. After that I'll be going the temple to offer my prayers and the day with spending the day with me. Home to going after communicate. So back home. If you like today's vlog, don't forget hit the like button, a comment and subscribe to the channel. You have not already. You love and support mean everything to me and keep me motivated to create more videos. Take care of yourselves and your loved ones. Thank you so much for watching. Keep supporting, keep smiling, and I'll so win. Love you. Bye bye.